Okay, here we go. We're going to roll some flex guard out on this. It's been swept and it's ready to apply. Let's see if the sun doesn't kill us too much. So we'll check the timing on this. So we're going to fold it back, and he's going to make a crease on the on that liner there. And he's going to come back up and peel off the corners. That release liner will fold back under the material there. So he takes that back. Pulls down, gets that started. And actually kind of reach under there and pull that release liner back a little bit more so you have a little bit more bonded there. And he's just going to rub that with his hand a little bit and get it sticking. Okay. Now he's going to roll that back up, and we got like about like 8 feet here to put down. We're going to roll it back up. Just go all the way to the end of the sidewalk there, Jose. Just take it. Go. Let's do that whole roll. Yeah, there we go. He's going to push it right there with the. Put that down. We're just going to go on back with it. We're going to take down the whole roll. So we don't need any primer. This is permeable flex guard. It just goes down that easy, and we're ready to set tile. You can hit a little flat side of your trowel a little bit more if you want to. So that's almost 25 feet right there. And here's your utility knife. Trim that up right there, but basically we're done. No primer needed. The money you saved here, we're paying these guys like 25 bucks an hour to do that, and we'll see. We probably got it down for under $1, which is pretty cool. There we have it. It's done. We'll check the timer and see how long it took down, but there's nothing else. Flex guard. So pay to use flex guard, use it. Thank you for joining us. If you got a wider tile, you want to go 2 times the width of the tile, so just roll out another one and just double that time. It won't take much at all. And you save the bucks and put it in your pocket. All right, we're done. Thanks, Jose.